we have a line like this. We have a line, and this line kind of turn anti-clockwise and maybe to this point. So this is the angle. And these angles are usually represented by Greek letters such as alpha, theta, or pi. So you can see this is angle theta. And this angle are usually measured in either degrees or radians as their units. So let's start with degrees. So imagine spanning a cycle one full time, then that is a complete turn, then one full time. That's what we call a complete turn or 30 degrees. So maybe you start from this point and maybe then you you maybe sorry, from this point, then you rotate back up to here. So then we say you did a complete turn or 360 degree. So this is a so this is 360 degrees. And suppose you so maybe let me write this is the cycle, this is the middle. Then if you turn from here up to here, then we say this is 180, that is 360 divided by 2. So this is 180 degree. And maybe if you turn from here to here, then this is 90 degree. And maybe if you turn from here to here to here up to here, then this is 180 plus 90. So this point is 200, this angle is 270 degree. So this is how it's measured with this whole symbol, this what we call degree. So 360 degree or 80 degree, 90 degree or 270 degree. And if you turn like here is 90 degree, if you turn like for instance the half of this, then this will be 45 degree. So this is how angle is measured. Next is so here is measuring angle using the radians. So suppose you have a cycle like this, and here we have point A and point B. Then this line A to B, we call it arc AB. And this point from the center to either B or A, we call it R. So this also R is also the same from this center to any point of this line, that is the circumference, that is this line around the cycle. So any point to this, that's what we call the radius R. So here is R, our radius. So and mathematicians often use this radius to measure cycles. So this arc AB, we say this arc AB is subtends to an angle to an angle at this center or is subtends to angle. So how do we measure radians? So one radians is an angle that's made when an arc equals to the length of radius. So if to say this arc is R and this, then we say we have a one radian. That's if the arc and the radius are of the same length. So let's understand it more better. So as we said previously, that if a cycle arc is as long as the radius, then that is one radian. And arc twice make it two radians. So for instance, I have a cycle like this, and I have this is my R, the length from here to here is R, and I have the radius. So I can say this one is one radian, that is my angle. So this angle, maybe call it alpha, is one radian. And if I have another one, but here I have the center, but here this one is like the double. The arc is of double length, so I can say maybe here the arc is 2R. Then this angle is 2 radian. So this angle, maybe theta, is 2 radian. So the circle full distance around that is its circumference is 2 pi r. So if I have a cycle like this, then this will change. This is 2 pi r. I have the center here r. So this is 2 pi r. So let's kind of compare. So if we have if the length of the arc, so if arc is maybe r, then we say our radian is 1 radian, and if r is 2, we have 2 radians. So if r is, suppose r is 2 pi r, that is the whole circumference, then we say we have a 2 pi radians. So we have 2 pi radians. Then remember that in the degrees we have the length of the full revolution cycle is 360. So that is 360 degrees, just the same as 2 pi radians. Then from here we can use a formula to kind of find the convert radius to degree. So let's angles can either be positive or negative depending on which direction you measure the term. So positive angles are measured in an anti-clockwise direction, while negative angles are measured in the clockwise direction. So an example is, let's write this side here. Yeah. So maybe we have very for the line, we have a circle here. So we know, then suppose this is the half of this. Then if you remember, if I'm using degree, this I am calling it 45 degree. So if I'm going here, that is the anti-clockwise, then I'm measuring it positively with positive. But suppose I measured the angle to this direction here, the half, that is here clockwise. Then I will call this angle minus 45 degree.